to the bird and butterfly sanctuary.
Bird and butterfly sanctuary. We're done at the beach. We only stayed for a little while.
There was a lot of sand.
We were all freezing in the water.
Shit, I almost
Jessica. We're in the jungle. I don't see any butterflies. It's supposed to be a butterfly bird habitat, but I haven't seen a single bird or a butterfly.
Hedge.
It's Kush.
Magical. Magical. There's not even a yellow rope anymore. We're just like in the woods now.
What is poison ivy?
Someone's gonna come up and attack us.
Oh gosh.
A homeless man is gonna come attack us.
Homeless girl.
What's up, Holly?
Hey, I live in Pedro. We're following him. Taking a slight detour. Land ho! Okay, now we're following Jessica.
Oh, look at the red bird. Yeah, right there.
Red ass
A
bird.
bird!
Is that a cardinal?
Reverse.
Reverse!
Reverse. Reverse.
Reverse! It's a bunny! Remember the bunnies we saw at the carnival?
Yeah, the little baby.
Oh, bunny! If I go by, will they run away?
Jump.
Hi, bunny! Bunny! Oh.
Imagine at night.
We need African safari music. Somebody sing. Dun dun! We're in the African safari, guys. There's the savannah over there. Maybe we can find a water hole. It's a circle of life. Pedro of the jungle. Pedro is king of the jungle.
Oh,
It's
that's
a rare-
$500 a piece.
It's a rare animal species. We call it the Pedro. Oh, oh.
Pedro. I.
What was that?
Wait, what happened?
Pedro keeps raising it.
Oh, Pedro. Pedro keeps shutting the window. That's what he's doing.
I was like, I touched the bus and all of a sudden I was like, it started rolling up. And I rolled it down all the way. Gosh,